Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We will be making, no, not making. We will be solving volume for the cube. Yes, we will be solving volume for the cube. Let's see. Now, to solve the cube, we need the formula. The formula for the cube is formula side cubed. So you solve it. Let's see how many sides this cube has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This cube has 6 sides. Now, 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 times, wait what? 6. Wait what? 6 times 6 times 6. Yeah, 216. 216 cubed. Yeah, that's it. That's how you solve a cube. That's how you solve a cube. Yeah, it's that easy. Now, moving on. For the rectangular prism. Let's see, let's make a rectangular prism. Whoa. Rectangular prism. Whoa. Now, wait. There we go. This is a rectangular prism. And the formula for this is the brush. And the formula for this is length, width, and height. Length, width, and height. Now, we get the length. Length is, example, 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. The width is 5 centimeters. Now the height, no, let's put it on the other side. Now the height will be 10. Now we will solve it. Length will be 3 centimeters. 3. The width, too long. The width will be 5. The height would be 10. Now let's solve it with a calculator. 3 times 5 times 10. 15. 15 is 150. Answer is 150. Now don't forget to put the unit and the cube and the cube sign. Cube sign. Something just happened. No. This is how you solve a rectangular prism. Okay. Moving on. Moving on. Now we'll be solving a cylinder. Now, to solve this, the formula for this is pi. This is pi over here. 3.14. This is all we need. 3.14. Pi radius squared and height. This is the formula. Now let's get the radius. Imagine the diameter is 10. This is the easiest way. Now let's split it in half. Ten divided by 2 is 5. 5 is our radius. Remember, radius is half of the diameter. Radius is half the diameter. Now, let's put pi 3.14 times radius times radius 5 and put the squared. Now the height, we'll be finding the height. The height of this will be 10. Don't forget the unit, guys. I don't know how to write. What? Yeah, there we go. Alright, we're gonna solve this first. 5 times 5 equals 25 times 10. 25 times 10 250. Now let's solve it. 3.14 times 250. Let's answer that. 3.14 times 250. 785. 785 centimeters. Cubed. Don't forget the cube sign. This is our answer here. Now let's move on to the next shape. Let's go. The next shape we will be solving is the cone. Let me draw a cone for a second. That's a good enough cone. Now the formula for this is 1/3 wait for a second. 1/3 and a pi radius squared and the height. Let's find the height for this. Do 3 meters. Radius will be 3. So the diameter is 6. Now let's solve it. 3.14 times radius is 3 squared times height is 3 2. 3. Now let's solve this. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 it's 27. 27. Now let's solve. 3.14 times 27. 3.14 times 27 equals, let's solve that. 3.14 times 27 equals 84.78. 84.78 meters. Don't forget the meters. Wait, let's put the meters here. No, don't forget the cube sign here. This is our answer. This is our final answer. There we go. Now the next thing we will solve is a square pyramid. I don't really know how to draw a square pyramid. How do you draw a square pyramid? I'll just copy something. Square pyramid. This is our square pyramid. Now we will solve this. Volume for this. No. Formula for this. Formula for the volume is 1/3 sides squared and height. Yes, that's the formula for square pyramid. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. 5 sides squared times height. Wait, let's put the 1/3. I forgot. Times height. We will find the height. Let's go find the height. 3. The height of this is 3 centimeters. Now let's erase this. There we go. 3. solve this. This is 25 times 3. 25 times 3 is, wait, 25 times 3 is 75. Now let's put it here. 75. Use a trick. Replace the 1 and 1/3 with 75. There we go. 75 divided by 3. 75 divided by 3 is 25. 25 centimeters. Wait, what? Why is it 2 centimeters? Oopsies. Sorry, guys. Let's go. Alright, let's go. 25 centimeters cube. This is our answer. Let's go. Finish another one. The last one we'll be doing is rectangular pyramid. A rectangular pyramid. Uh-oh. Rectangular pyramid. We'll use this. This is our rectangular pyramid. Let's see, 1/3. The formula for this is 1/3 LWH. Now let's find the L. This equals 2 cm. This equals 10 cm. And U equal 12. Height is 12 centimeters. Length is 2 centimeters. And width is 10 centimeters. Length 2 times width is 10 times height 12. Let's solve this. 2 times 10. Wait, what? 2 times 10 times 12. It's 240. Centimeter cube. Now let's move you here. 240. 240 divided by 3 equals 80 centimeter cube. This is our answer in the rectangular pyramid. Thank you. That's all we have today. Goodbye.